I was about to get ready to film, and little mama decided to wake up. So I wanted to introduce you guys to her. Hey guys, so I was about to get ready to film, and little mama decided to wake up. So I wanted to introduce you guys to her. Rhiyan Alicia, born July 20th. Yeah, say hey. Say subscribe to my mommy's channel. Subscribe. So yeah. This is a little love of my life. Yeah. Say hi. She was just talking and stuff earlier. Say hi, little mama. Hi. Say hi. Okay, and take you to Dada. Take you to your Dada so mama can film. Ooh, look at that yawn. Big yawn. Big yawn. Say hi. Guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a life update. Just want to tell you guys what's been going on. I've been lacking on my videos as well as on my social media, and I want to give you guys the reason why today. And yeah, kind of some major changes going on. So if you're interested in learning more about that, then keep watching this video. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so I had to write down my points because I'm refilming this video because I forgot pretty much all of these points except for one. The other video, I was just so excited to be back on camera. I forgot everything I needed to say. Look, the first major thing is that I have moved. If you notice, I have a different background of what I normally film in front of. I'm in my bedroom, not my bedroom. I'm in our bedroom. Gotta get used to saying that. I'm not used to living with anybody. This is like the first time I've actually moved with someone. So yes, I'm in our bathroom. I'm in our bedroom. Yeah, so I moved back to Alabama. I'm not in my hometown where I'm originally from, but I am about an hour and 30 minutes away from Columbus, Georgia, where I was living before. And me and my boyfriend have moved together. We are renting a house here. And yeah, it's pretty exciting. Love the house that we're at. I am gonna do like a house tour after we get everything decorated and stuff, because right now we still got boxes and we still, you know, it's still not quite there to be showing you guys. Uh-oh. And baby girl, I put her in her bouncer. She does not like that thing. He's got it though. Like I said, I will be doing our house tour video once we have everything decorated and stuff, and we're getting our couch tomorrow, which I'm excited about. Like, yes, we got the Wi-Fi turned on last week, getting the couch this week, and I don't think anything else we're getting. We're gonna be getting another TV later on for the living room, and we'll be putting one in our bedroom. And I think I need to still get a couple more things for the bedroom. Gotta get pictures. We still need to get accent pillows, curtains. Like I said, we still have a little bit more decorating to do before I can show you guys that. As far as like my postpartum update, because I was gonna do a separate video for that, but I just decided to lump that in all together. But as far as that goes, I've had my visits. I don't have postpartum depression or anything like that, thank God. I'm glad about that. Also, I am good to go, really, like yeah, I've had my visits and I'm good to go. Everything is good. I've been cleared to start back working out, so I have started my fitness journey again. I started filming that on Monday. I didn't work out yesterday. I need to work out today. I need to do a little bit of something today. I've been doing it at home first, and then I believe next month I'm going to actually join the gym. I just wanted to kind of get myself back used to it. I didn't want to jump in full force or anything like that and hurt something, because I'm definitely not where I was before I got pregnant as far as like my fitness and you know what my body is used to. So we gotta start it back over, gotta get it back right. I'll be turning 30 next year, so I'm really trying to get it snatched back for that because I'm planning a birthday trip and I really want, like I want to go somewhere tropical, so I want to be all fine and all that stuff in my swimsuits and whatnot, so I gotta get it together. I've been noticing that like my skin has been really dry and I've been breaking out, and I've never had breakouts before, like even in high school, like puberty and stuff like that. I never really had it, so it was kind of strange to see it. I know it's due to like my hormones and stuff, but like my skin is like really dry. Like I have to moisturize like twice a day, and I've never really had to do that before. So if you have any suggestions on what I should do or any type of natural mask and stuff that I could make, I would really appreciate if you drop that down in the comments below, because I'm not, you know, I'm gonna sound so old, I'm not really hip to stuff like that, to a lot of skincare things. Like I got the Clinique 3-step thing just so I could have something to clean my face, because I need to clean my face, wear makeup, but I don't really know that much about skincare like that. So I'm still currently breastfeeding. She is actually latching on now, because first she really wasn't doing it, like her mouth wasn't big enough to latch on, but now she is, and like she's a pro. Homegirl big, she's me on it, okay? You tearing mama up. Oh, gosh, I be hurting. But sacrifices we made, right? I think that's gonna be it for today's video, for my update. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I do have a vlog coming right after this one, and then I will be filming a style video for the fall, so that'll be coming probably within the next 2 weeks. That will be out, but yeah, I still have to get a couple things for that. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and as always, don't forget down blah 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 blah. And as always, don't forget to okay. And don't forget to check the description box below for all my social media links. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.